gumawa tayo ng community. Well, ito na yung community natin. Sana lumaki pa, and expect na si JND naka-pack up lagi yan sa SF6 community. Thank you sa mga dumating. Kahit walang JND stick, kung wala pa kayo, baka kayo. JND na, JND, I welcome everyone. Okay, let's call for the third place. Turquino! Turquino will receive trophy, certificate, and 1,000 cash. Thank you very much, Turquino. Second place natin. BGP will receive certificates and second place trophy and 1,500 cash prize. And the champion, the first ever Game Team Masters Cup champion. Let's call RJ. RJ Mercier, 3,000 cash prize, first place trophy, and certificate.
Gusto ko maging RJ. Ano partido? Partido! Grabe!
Alright, thank you very much. Sponsors natin, MXM, Cumulus, Theater. Next year, abangan nyo yung second JV Masters Cup, SF6 and Tekken 8 na, magkasama na yan. So yun lang, thank you very much and God bless. Rock on!